Let me show you where to go to adjust the heads-up display. First, you hit the home button, then you scroll up. It automatically pulls up to standard, and then right is minimal. Off-road for details as far as off-roading. Settings allows you to adjust the height. So if you're you can't see it, you want to play with that, and that's to turn it off, the heads-up display. So you could also change the brightness as well. So just scrolling over, you have minimal options, standard, sport, who likes to see engine performance. Next one is race, if you like to see the RPM, and then track pace if you're looking to be racing around the track. Most people keep it at standard. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Now I'm inside. Now you're looking at it. I have it zoomed in. It's hard to take like a video on it, but I'm going through the prompts now. So if you're looking for the off-road, it's gonna look like this. Pulls up a lot of data. If you're at an incline, this is where you go to adjust the settings. That's how it looks like if you need to move it up or down. So if you can't see, that's probably a good reason. And then that's to turn it off or on. Maybe you don't want the heads-up display and go back. So that's the minimal. Nothing much other than the miles per hour. And then I'm gonna go one more over, and then that's the standard. That's where you see more, and that's the sport. And then that's RPM if you're looking for performance on it. If you have any questions, let me know.